Hi, welcome. We've just updated the system. It's a VirtualBox system and we are all up to date. So if you type in up all and nothing happens, it means you're all up to date. Now, this video is about Variety. Variety got a new version, and in the meantime I've rebooted and all that. So, and the scale also important for you, which means we are now at 0.8.2, which means that the look in preferences is a little bit different. Now, what we've done is that the settings are such that Variety will start, so the little icon will be there. It will not change your wallpaper. If you like that, you can say change the wallpaper, and it's going to do that every 5 minutes. Or you can say change wallpaper on start, so you reboot and every time you get something new. So that's all up to you to decide how long and how many minutes, hours, days you want to switch. So that's cool. The favorites folder is actually this one, but tip of the day, what could you do? You could point it to your own wallpaper folder somewhere on Dropbox, on InSync, external hard drive, which should be always on then, stuff like that. So you can point this to anywhere you like. That's the favorites folder. User share backgrounds is there, which is our own, as you see, just a click away. And then you can just use other things as well, like these guys here, and try those out. You see, we can also add desktopper random wallpapers to it. Now it's working again, but it has been down for some time, and then it's working again, was down again. So we'll see how long it's working. I think everybody has their own wallpapers, but nevertheless you cannot have enough wallpapers, and in my case that's 3,500. But if you click on this thing, your Variety will just keep on downloading things, not as indefinitely, but it depends what and where you live and how much download you have, etc. If you want to have all these new things here, these new wallpapers. So that's the wallpaper coming from Variety. The fun is, or the thing is, people ask me, Eric, you have such great wallpapers on desktopper.co/Eric Dubois. How do you get them? I don't. Variety provides me, together with Desktopper, with lots of things. And some of these things are not nice, right? For some of the things I say, well, creative, right? And then you go right mouse click, copy to favorites. And if copy to favorites means put it on Dropbox, put it on InSync, you never lose one wallpaper, and it just keeps on growing year after year. So this one is on there. And if I made a mistake and say, no, this is not what I want, you go back and you say, delete to trash. This was actually not a nice wallpaper at all. So all these things will keep on gathering. And for me, it's a personal thing. When I'm building stuff, when I'm working on stuff, you always have to wait, you have to. And what I do is Alt-N, and I'll say, okay, this one, Alt-N, Alt-N, and I go through all the wallpapers provided by Variety and Desktopper. And I say Alt-T is trash, Alt-F is favorite. And Alt-F means it's on Dropbox or InSync or any other media you put it on. That's the favorites folder. That's what you decide where to put it. You can add other stuff, and so will I. I'm in the sense that I can say open the folder. I have somewhere a place. Let's take this one, pictures, and inside pictures there is maybe a folder with wallpapers or something like that. And I say, okay, pictures, I'm gonna add this as well to Variety, and that's that. And then you include it as well. So add folder is a way to do that as well. Okay, so what else? Oh, so this is open folder. I mean, of course, add folder. Yeah, I was clicking in the wrong place here. Add folders, pictures, and add. That's it. Nothing is there, so won't do a thing. So remove it again. What is standard set is as well the size. have landscape orientation. Most of us, I think, are landscape, and are big at least 80% of our screen. So you can set it to 50, which can mean you have a blurred image. You can set it higher to 100%, and it should actually probably, I don't know, I'm not a developer of Variety. 100% of the screen resolution sounds to me that really needs to fit, in my case, in 1920 and 1080. But whatever he's doing in the backend, I don't know. So 80% sounds like more middle approach. And the rest is as was. So those are the new settings. What I can report as well is that this Variety has been, we have been communicating with Variety development team to get support for 4 or 5 tiling window managers, and they're all in, all the improvements are in, which means we don't have to get our own solution to set Variety in Qtile. It was Xmonad, it was. So we're improving together with them the Variety itself. So next release, of course, we'll get those new files in, new scripts in, and we will be able to set out of the box any of our tiling window managers, and that is great, of course. That's what Linux is all about. Work together, make it better. All right, I think Variety has been set. There's one thing maybe you can do. And say, I do not care for Variety, and that's -R Variety. Then the application is gone, right? So that's one thing, application is gone. The other thing is our package itself. So sudo pacman -R ArcoLinux Variety, the settings for Variety. Both of them can go then. All right, enjoy Variety. You'll see wallpapers will keep going, keep coming. Let's see what we got already. Let's do something else. What I do most often is preferences, general. I know my own wallpapers, right? So, okay, those are out. I'm gonna just take these guys, and then you see this guys is, for instance, one I like very much. Creative. Design. What's this? Winter is coming. So there is so much coming to us, and yeah, sure, there will be bad things in there as well, and that's why you do Alt-T. It's trash now. Alt-T, I don't like this either, and you stop until you find something. You say, oh, I'm gonna live with this today, gonna keep this one today. So you say image, you say either resume regular changes. This is gonna, the setting you set here to change will kick in, or you say no, this one is for today. So image, pause and current, and all day long you'll enjoy this image. Lots of more tutorials about Variety out there, but just wanted to make sure everybody knows there's a new Variety in there, and there are some settings that are gone here. The download size was it, and but it's still in there in the config folder. So in here we have a variety.conf, but we're particularly on that question, we have an issue still open on GitHub, and we'll see what they'll say, the Variety developers. All right, enjoy Variety. It gives you plenty of fun, and together with Desktopper, it is really a winner. You get lots and lots of images in that you like or not like. I'm gonna keep this one today, right? So you can copy this to favorites as well. Delete to trash. You can see lots of things. View at desktopper.co. You can go to the website where it's coming from. All kind of things to explore. All right, have fun.